Hi everyone, welcome to the Zen by Neuvana how-to video series. Today we will be discussing how to unbox your new Zen by Neuvana unit. Congratulations! First, we are going to go ahead and remove the Zen sleeve. Wonderful, that was fairly easy. And we are going to go ahead and open up the box. On top, what we see first is the Zen by Neuvana Quick Start Guide. So we'll remove that. Underneath, we have our safety information for the Zen box set. So please make sure you read that. There's some really important information in both your Quick Start Guide and on the safety information card. So make sure you read that before or prior to use. All right, so we have gotten to the moment that you've been waiting for. Here is our Zen by Neuvana unit. It's lovely. And then we are going to go ahead and remove the insert to reveal our accessories for our Zen unit. We are going to start from the top left here. We have our Neuvana micro drop sprayer. On it, it does say fill me up, and that indicates that it is empty. That is where you're going to put your saline solution into the actual capsule. If you need assistance with how to put the saline solution in or how to make the saline solution, please see our video on saline solution on our how-to videos, okay? Moving on, we have our Zen headphone set. That comes equipped with a medium-sized earbud. Awesome. Next, we have our replacement Zen earbuds. So just in case the medium size that comes on the headset does not fit your ear, we do offer a extra large, and small set. Moving on, we have our USB wall adapter. It is snug in the box, so it may take a little bit to get out, but I promise you it does come out. Wonderful, there we are. Next, we have our Zen display stand. This is where you can rest your Zen after use so it can charge properly. That can also fit snug in the box, so take your time getting it out. And at the bottom, we have your USB charging cable. All right. Awesome. So now that we've gotten to know all of our accessories and our Zen by Neuvana and everything inside the box set, there's one more important thing that we want to tell you with this unboxing. So we are going to want to charge our Zen unit fully prior to our first use. To do that, we're going to get our Zen by Neuvana unit and we're going to plug our USB charging cable into the unit. So make sure you unwind it. I know it comes very pretty packaged, so unwind it so that you can go ahead and plug it in. You're going to plug the USB cable into the base of the Zen unit until you hear a click, just like that. And then we are going to get the USB adapter and plug it into the USB cable. Just like that. Make sure it fits very snug so that a slight tug could not remove it from there. And we're going to go ahead and plug it into a known working outlet. So make sure we have an outlet that maybe a lamp has been used or an appliance has used before so that we know that it works, and make sure it's fully charged. While it is charging, the LED on the Zen unit will display red, and then once it's fully charged, it will display green as such. All right. Happy Zenning everyone, and thank you for watching this video.